Okay, for part C, it says Mackenzie, a member of the sample, took 25 hours to read the novel. Jason believes Mackenzie's time is not an outlier. Determine whether Jason is correct. So obviously he doesn't want you to just see this 25 and go, it's not an outlier, because it would be a stir if it was. It wants you to test using the formula for outliers. And the formula is anything greater than 1.5 times the interquartile range above Q3 or less than 1.5 times the interquartile range below Q1. So I'm going to do, well, the interquartile range we know from the previous question is 8. 1.5 times the interquartile range is 12. This is the formula, 1.5 times the interquartile range. And then Q3 plus 12, or Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range is equal to 15 plus 12, because 1.5 times 12 is or 1.5 times 8 is 12. That is 27. So this is worth 4 marks, guys, and this is only worth 2 marks. So if you are going to be an outlier, you have to read more than 27 hours. And Mackenzie, or it must have taken you more than 27 hours. Mackenzie did it in 25 hours. So no, she's not an outlier. But you have to say, well, you have to determine whether he's correct, and you have to support your reasoning. So you have to say, as 25 is less than 27, not an outlier. Therefore, Jason is correct, because he said she's not an outlier. So Jason is correct.